Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a really big build. This is my Californian modern farmhouse, and it's really big. It's a really big mansion. I spent 15 hours working on this, and here is the tour. I'm so sorry I have had to cut my speed build a little bit short, but I did not want to keep you guys waiting, so don't want to make the video too long. But here we go on the inside to this little way that leads to the backyard. Here we have the living room. It is so pretty with the high ceiling. You could add a fireplace. It's just so pretty with this beautiful chandelier. You can see all the trees. And so here we go through here with this the entryway, which also has a high ceiling. I love the texture of the walls. It's so pretty. And here are the windows to this hallway that leads to this kitchen. This kitchen is so big. I love it so much. You can cook, you do anything in there. And here we have the staircase area. It's really pretty. Tall staircase, high ceiling. I love the high ceilings. And here we have this bathroom. That's the first room. And here another hallway upstairs. These windows and wall trim on the walls. And then here we have this bedroom. It's really small. It's a kid bedroom. And then here is a closet that leads to the parents' bedroom. Here we have the master bedroom. It's the biggest room in the house. There's only 2 bedrooms in this whole house. I would have built more, but I felt like this house needed more, just maybe more big spaces other than small little areas. So I decided to add really big and really high ceilings and almost, I don't know, just almost the whole house. But here we go back, and I'm going to show you guys the backyard. It's probably my favorite part, and the living room. But here we have the walkway that leads to the backyard with some trees. And we go over here and we'll see the massive backyard. It is so big and so pretty. It took a lot of effort to put into this backyard. Here we have the big windows. These windows are so big you can get a good view of the mountains. And here is the kid park, the apparatus over there, and then the pool. It's just so pretty with all this greenery and some rocks. You know, you can relax out here, set up some beach chairs, relax, read a book. It is so calm and very quiet. But here we have the kids' playground. It's so big and the kids could just have fun. But here I'm going to show you the layout of the house. So here is the first floor. It's here's the floor plan, and then here's the second floor. For the layout, I'd suggest you follow the floor plan so that the build doesn't, just come out wrong. But yeah, that's it for the tour. Now we're gonna get into the speed build, so stay tuned. hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am so happy with how this build turned out to be, and I love it so much. Like the lighting and everything, it just is so pretty. I think this is like the best build I've built so far. It was definitely like my hardest. It took a really long time. It took a lot of effort. I put my heart into this build, but it took a really long time, so I really hope you guys like it. But now I have to end the video. I love you guys so much. Please like and subscribe. Bye.